Yes, beta. Start. Start reading. Maktabatul Madrasati, School Library. This is second chapter. So, Yasir Raza, Farid Javed, you want to read? Yes, start reading. Yes, start reading. Yes, with translation. Beta, with translation. Hazihi Madrasati. First page is not there. Okay. Okay. Keep quiet. I am sharing. Wait. Yes. I have sent on WhatsApp group also, and I am sharing here also. Okay. Now it is in front of you. So Faria was Faria was reading, na? हाँ तो Faria read, complete it. Do quickly two sentences. Faria, तो better read ना. Two sentences you have to read first. Hmm. हाजी मदरसती. चल. Now leave. Fariha leave. Faria leave. Better mute your mic. Voice is not coming. Who is trying to say something? Hazi madrasati. This is my school. Here min akbaril madarisi fil Madina. Here min akbaril madaris. Akbaril madaris means Kabir means big, or akbaril madaris biggest. It is one of the biggest schools of the city. It is one of the biggest school, or it is one of the biggest school of the city. Akbaril Madaris. Okay, Akbaril Madaris. It is biggest of school. Next one. Next one. Anyone else? Muhammad Umar. Daily you are reading. Give chance anyone else. Yes. And one more thing, Umar, you are not sending your work. Anna, you are sending. No, don't tell me. I know your handwriting. Understand? So nothing you have to tell me. And I'm also not saying anything here in class. But I'm telling you that you have to send your own work. Understand? Okay. Next one. Anyone else? Do anyone is not there? No one is there in class? Who muted her? Unmuted his mic or her? Voice is coming from background. Nihal Khan, mute your mic. Nihal Khan, mute your mic. Yasir Raza, read the chapter. Yasir Raza is there? Yes. Read the chapter. From first sentence you are reading. First and second sentence to is done. Third sentence you have to read. वहिया वाक़ियतुन फ़ी वस्तिल मदीनति. This one. Yes. अरे translation. You are not saying that you should do translation also. वहिया वाक़ियतुन फ़ी वस्तिल मदीनति. Yes. In the middle of the city. In the middle city. Fiha maktabatun kabiratun. In it there is a big library. In it there is a big library. Fiha, in it. In it there is a big library. Yes. Zaruriyati. Yes. Yes. There are. Yes. Very good, mashallah. The next one. The next one. Tariq Abdullah, you are here. Yes. Next one. Anyone else? There is Adnan Jamal. Adnan Jamal, you are present. Now read. Read the next sentence. Yazhabu tullabu. Yazhabu tullabu ilayha. Lil maktabati. Yes. Yes. Yazhabu tullabu ilayha. Students go to it fi sa'atihimil mukhassasati. Mukhassasa means that yes. The students go to it in their fixed period. Fixed period for library. In their fixed period for library. Asa'atihimil their time al-mukhassasa, which is fixed lil maktabi or lil maktabati should be there. They for the library. The time which is fixed for the library, they go students go to it. Yes, the next sentence. Vayajlisuna alal karasiye. Karasi is jama of kursiyun. Karasi is jama of kursiyun. Yes. Vayajlisuna alal karasiye amamat tabilati qatil qirati liqirati al-kutubi was-suhufi wal-majallat. Yes. Majallat. Sufi wal majallat. Yes. Sufi al majallat. Suhuf means that newspaper, and majallat means magazines. Okay. Suhufun means newspaper. It is plural of sahifatun. Sahifatun. And majallat is magazine. Its mufrad comes majallatun. Okay. Karasiyu kursiyun tabilatun tabilatun. Now, vayajlisuna alal karasiye, and they sit on the chairs in front of the tables in reading room. Fi qatil qirati, in reading hall or reading room. Liqiratil kutub, to read the books and newspapers and magazines. Okay. Yes. Next one. Yes. Now here marfuat is coming. I want to explain just now what is marfuat. My voice is coming to you all? Okay. So here I want to explain you that marfuat. So look at the blackboard. I am writing here. You have to write in your copies also. Okay? Because today I will explain. Yes. Marfuat. How many nouns may be marfu in the sentence? है ना? You will find that we are saying to you that you have to place i'rab. So sometimes you are in confusion which i'rab will come. There are 6 noun, 6 conditions. Actually, you should say that 6 conditions in which any noun will be marfu. Okay? No other i'rab will come on these things. First is it there marfuat. First one is al mubtada. What is al mubtada? You will find always mubtada marfu. Mubtada will never have any other i'rab. Keep it in mind. तो मरफुआ फर्स्ट वन इज मुब्तदा, सेकंड वन इज खबर, मुब्तदाज खबर, खबर ऑफ मुब्तदा. It will never have any other i'rab. If mubtada is coming, तो mubtada will be marfu and khabar will also be marfu. Muhammad Zain, what you want to ask? Third noun, third condition when any noun will be marfu is fa'il. Is fa'il. Again and again, always I said that fa'il will be marfu. Not understanding what they are doing. Yes, always fa'il will be marfu. Like this, like this, naib fa'il will always be marfu. This point I will explain. Okay, so don't be hesitate about. Fourth is called naib fa'il. I will explain about it. Naib fa'il. Fifth one is there. It is innaz khabar. Innaz khabar. You read that innaz ism will be mansoob and khabar will be marfu. Yes. Okay. Before last year you have read. So innaz khabaro inna. What it is called? Okay. Khabaru inna. Like innal walada, we say innal walada qaimun. The boy of course the boy is standing. So walada will be mansoob and qaimun khabar will be marfu. Khabaru inna and ismo kana. Sixth one is there, ismo kana. Kana's ism will always be marfu as kanallahu ghafuran. Okay, you have read this, kanallahu ghafuran. So ismo kan. You should write here ghafuran. I am writing kanallahu ghafuran. So mubtada always will always, if any you are looking any sentence and there is mubtada and khabar, so both will be always marfu. Khabar mubtada will be marfu always, mubtada's khabar will be always marfu, fa'il will always be marfu. Fa'il means doer. Naib fa'il is a representative of fa'il. This is this is subject of passive verb. This is subject of passive verb. Naib fa'il is subject of passive verb. Like Fatihal Babu, the door was opened. Fatihal Babu. I am not knowing who opened the door, but door was opened, so I will say Fatihal Babu. The door was opened. Okay, so this is called naib fa'il. Naib fa'il is actually a subject of passive verb. Okay, and inna's khabar always will be marfu. Kana's ism will always be marfu. Okay, this is fine because it is recording. You know, screen recording is going on. You have done this very good. Erase it just now. Who has done? Not listening? It will be recorded. Are you understanding? Zubia, what you are asking? What I am saying you are not listening. Example of fourth I have given. Fateh al Babu. What do you want? Tell me. Mubtada will always be marfu like uh, al waladu mujtahidun. Like al waladu mujtahidun. So you will find that al waladu is marfu. Al waladu, and like this khabar is marfu mujtahidun. Okay? Mujtahidun is marfu. Zahaba, example of third, Zahaba Hamidun. You will find always who is doer will be in Rafa condition. So there are 6 marfuat. Okay? Marfuat are 6. These are 6 conditions only. One thing I am telling, keep it, you should memorize it. There are 6 conditions when any noun will be marfu. If you will got it, you will never do mistake in placing i'rab. So mubtada always will be marfu. Fine, you know very well, you are doing this also. Khabar will always be marfu. It's also you are doing mubtada khabar you are making. So you are never you are saying ke waladin mujtahidun. Always you are saying that al waladu mujtahidun. File will always be marfu. Doer will always be marfu means naibe file. You haven't practiced much, but keep it in mind. Subject of passive verb. The work is done. The door is opened. The door was opened. So the door is coming. I opened the door and the door was opened. Object is coming as subject. So passive subject of passive verb will be called in Arabic naib fa'il. Inna's khabar will always be marfu. Kana's ism will always be marfu. If all these 3 conditions we are getting, so we will give them place rafa only and without any hesitation. Okay? Now my voice is clear or not? So I have written all these all 6 points in your copies. I have written. All of you should write because this chapter is under marfu'at. So we have to select marfu'at sometime. है ना? Sometime we have to select marfu'at or you have to place i'rab. I will give exercise. These 6 you have to write. Mubtada will be marfu, khabar will be marfu, fa'il will always be marfu, naib fa'il will always be marfu, inna's khabar will always be marfu, and kana's ism will always be marfu. There are 6 marfuat. Okay? Grammar of this chapter I have explained. Now, first sentence. Can you tell me कि first and second sentence, how many sentences are there in this 4 lines are there? In how many sentences are there jumla ismiya and how many are there jumla fi'liya? Quickly. How many sentences are jumla fi'liya and how many sentences are jumla ismiya? Do you know jumla fi'liya and jumla ismiya? Which jumla is called jumla ismiya? Acha. The sentence which starts with the noun is called jumla ismiya. And what is called jumla fi'liya? Okay. It is clear? Okay. Jumla fi'liya starts with verb. Jumla ismiya starts with noun. Okay. First sentence, what you are saying about first sentence, hazihi madrasatun. This is jumla ismiya or jumla fi'liya? Hazihi madrasatun. Okay, quickly. What is hazihi? Tell me anyone. It is very easy. What is hazihi? No one can tell. Hazihi, zalika, tilka, what is it? What they are called? Acha, for which purpose they comes? Hazihi, zalika, tilka, ulaika, haulai. For which purpose they comes? They are called isme ishara, ism. Okay? This is ism, so mubtada will be ism. Jumla is starting with a noun. This is isme ishara. Ism indicates that this is noun. So this sentence is also jumla ismiya because hazihi is isme ishara. Hazihi is mubtada and asma ishara will always be marfa. Second thing is there कि मुब्तदा will be marfa. तो हाज़ी is इसमें इशारा and मदरसती is खबर. इसमें इशारा हाज़ी, इसमें इशारा मुब्तदा, मदरसती is खबर. Okay? Now, second sentence. हिया मिन अकबरिल मदारिस फिल मदीनती. This is जुमला इसमिया और जुमले फेलिया. बेटा time is going. What? हिया मिन अकबरिल मदारिसी फिल मदीनती. हिया मिन अकबरिल मदारिसी only. I am telling. हिया मिन अकबरिल मदारिसी. हिया मिन. You haven't book? Eh? You don't have? This you have written or not? Tell me. Now check the second sentence. It is written hiya min akbaril madarise fil madinati. Now tell here कि this sentence is जुमला इसमें और जुमले फेलिया. Quickly. How? What is the verb? Where is the verb? Can you tell me?